Welcome back again. Today, we are going to talk about one special aspect of Dagbani greetings. And this greetings is when someone dies. So, this is a funeral greetings. Immediately the person dies, the greetings we greet the bereaved family is Nitiwumbu. Nitiwumbu. During the same day, maybe the person died in the morning and you heard it after 3 or 4 hours, maybe in the evening or in the afternoon, you say Nitibiane, Nitibiane, Nitibiane. When someone dies today and you meet the a bereaved family of the dead person, like the following day, you say Netisoha. Then these greetings, it has the same response as Nna, Nna for all of them. When you go to a funeral or you meet a bereaved family who is a Dagbana, you now know how to greet the person. If it's the same day or immediately after the person has died, you say Nituwumbu. A few hours after, you say Nitibiane. A few days, if it's a day after, you say Nitusoha. Thank you very much, and I hope you've learned something new. You can comment, like, and share it for the other people to enjoy this lesson. Thank you very much.